Hey!
Don't
call me name. Don't call me name. The kitty don't call me name. Don't call me name. Don't call me name.
Backchat family. Today, Kitty sells the cement and threatens police. Tap subscribe and make we watch it play out. Now make we see what happened. Kitty sells the cement and threatens police.
Yes, he might try, but
Because that, you know, so Miss Karen Allen come and Miss Karen Allen never interested to meet you. As much as I see send you go to school. Because I think Karen actually frustrated. Miss Karen frustrated. Because she spend whole heap of money on your Jaden. All the key.
you know why? I mean, you come Jaden every morning.
And every morning Jaden late and Jaden, you see?
Show, man.
No go so. Only friend.
Guess what? A lot of time we send the lunch money come for Jaden go to school. And you have Jaden herself when Jaden supposed to go to school. And that's why Miss Karen Allen vexed.
No, go so that's why get me when vexed.
Miss Karen Allen, I was so surprised. Miss Karen Allen never interested in see
Jaden
you.
don't take up for me. Jaden say, no, mommy, no, do nothing. I go and wait till he can't get no drive. Me no know why the one he left out of the yard.
Yard drama start up. Look how them a fuss. Lord give we strength and guidance.
Kitty!
No, nobody.
Kitty!
Go out there, I'm not see man. Go out there,
So what is up on me dying trying to do Jesus?
I am a night, you know.
Kitty, with the 2 bags of cement then when me come for the man I go use it tomorrow. What you do with the 2 bags of cement? You don't see the word to finish one, Kitty? The work under the kitchen. You don't see one pint of flash off.
I don't know what's happening there, Monsieur.
So you really put the 2 cement on your head and crack?
No, sir, I'm ready. I want to tell more to go tell Sandra by them back here. When ever come to me, I come and tell. Well, I send that to one over there, 2 bags of let me.
Kitty,
Are you say what call it?
Kitty, me tell you say money I go be your downfall.
No, sir, money
I go be your downfall. So Kitty, you really take a bit too big back.
Watch this now.
And take them carry and go sell them, Kitty. And you don't talk to me about me to make them, Kitty.
I'm going to say this come. I want to come and take the power.
But you go buy them back.
I'm going to send them buy them back.
No, you are going to buy them back, Kitty.
You can't buy them back. I send them now.
Kitty, you are going to buy back me to make them.
How Kitty a go buy back the cement when money a him downfall? Now make we see what happened. Miss Ellis uncovers Ricky Green's survival.
Buy back me to make them. Kitty, what wrong with you?
That time around with me. But we can't move that to the young to have a business hard. We say about friends, we say. You don't know you haven't got power, mommy, or
Check on the bed for cement now.
It's a park, how can I do the bed if you see if you can't? Me don't believe that Kitty really take the cement there to sell them.
You know what this mean now? You know what this mean to me?
No, I need you.
Boom.
No, I need you. No, look better, look there.
So Kitty, you really mad with your friend.
No, I need you.
Cement them, go on road, go sell the cement them.
I'm want to smoke. I don't want to get no smoke. But shit,
And you couldn't say we can take 1 bag, take me 2 bags of cement and go sell them?
take a minute,
No man,
Kitty sell off the 2 bag of cement already. So who a go pay you? Now make we see what happened. Kitty sells the cement and threatens police.
no man, pay me for me cement, no cement.
Before you go anywhere, more and know so you're part of the family. Tap subscribe, make it official. This is a we thing. Me, you, and every Backchat lover out there.
Go in there white, no. Go in there white and pay for me cement, no. Kitty, hello, no, we don't give no break, you don't get no break, we are punish you. Yes, and that's if you do. Yes.
Now make we see what happened. Miss Ellis uncovers Ricky Green's survival.
No man, Kitty. So you soon take me bed and sell me bed?
I'm
Now make we see what happened. Kitty sells the cement and threatens police.
You don't get no breakfast?
Sometimes
No, me ask you a question.
no time, but sometimes we don't feel none for what part. The Congo water for which I turn on one time. Sometime on a year. So we don't know. We get our tea for him.
Kitty, you get your breakfast every morning, you get dinner every evening. And some small. Every morning, every evening.
Miss,
I mean, care what road, I may buy your food, me buy your ID king, me give your money. There's not one day me no come in and get money from me. Hey, there's not one day me no come in and Kitty no tax me.
No.
Yesterday even after me buy me box food, and me can't go buy box food, and he come and get patty and he get juice. And me have the last money. And Kitty say one dragon. I say, Kitty, you can't give me a break one even make and ask me for money.
You wicked, you know?
You wicked to me?
You wicked.
You wicked to me, Kitty. You wicked.
I want to
No, man, but call me. Me want to see this man. You know what?
Don't tell no lie for Mr. Paul.
Where's it?
What you say me do? But enough of your busy that Kitty me put on your cement for the man come back correct.
Yes,
You
I
know,
do.
you know say yes not flash it. Round that's not done. But in Kitty not finished. You know say man take me 2 bags of cement and I go sell them. Him.
Yeah. I hear the argument.
Take me 2 bags of cement and go sell them. When the man at work.
Yeah.
I can't understand you. How the hell you man if you carry 2 bags of cement?
I want man.
So what the man there where you sell the man to?
No,
So how much you sell one bag for?
50 on there. We sell one bag for. That we sell one bag for 15 mil.
So you get $3,000?
Yeah,
Give me the money where you get feed.
me I get no money. Spend all that long time from there. These guys was a prayer road them. And each I want back food. I want drink.
So you know, so me not give no more money when me say. You remember so me say me not give.
But hold on. Wait till you see what happened with man asks for petty money.
1 month straight. When me done to get about the cement, Mr. Paul alone and get it.
Cho, how Kitty a go make it 1 whole month with no money coming in? Now make we see what happened. Miss Ellis uncovers Ricky Green's survival.
I want to shoot and done ya. I know I'm both people involved in night and then the
So Kitty, you couldn't sell 1 bag and leave back 1 bag, Kitty.
I'm take 2 bags, and then I drink.
No man, Kitty, me not know. Me not take me out here. Me not call the police here, man. Call the damn police here, man. Call the police here, man.
You better carry me home.
Yeah, well, if you don't want me, call the police. Go tell me who you sell it
Tell the
to.
police out the road, care about it. I'm can't go jail for nothing at all. I'm police not come for nothing at all. Wait for one.
So why have to take somebody who care for your cement and stuff?
Hey!
Now make we see what happened. Miss Ellis settles the salty gravy and dragon.
I'm not going to do that. I didn't time I'm not getting money. I said we go in the few 5 minutes, give the money I can me.
Eh?
Yeah, can't go in the few 5 minutes, give the money I will.
Who?
The people who told that power.
Talk to them, man. See them here.
Them.
Them.
Jump by the boy. I feel very boy.
Yeah.
I gave them that place on give me a money and that's why I'm money left me here.
Eh?
You mean boy, I'm not telling you, I'm taking that. You think I see about all that. Oh, they won't give me a money when they have money.
One day they show up by a dozen 40 to eat.
Me? You. Give me. I'm money, you play later more. I'm money more. No, pot, but a big party now, I'm money more.
It's a big party.
It's a big party now, I'm money more, brother.
Kitty, they don't know it's a big party.
Go by, Jimmy. Go by, anything. I'm on more. Go back, go can't buy me.
Not to say I kill you. Yeah? You say you don't want no more party.
I'm real. drop me.
Lord Jesus.
I want to read this out by me. Don't want to have it in the so I'm going to lie down and I'm going to bomb my hand before me go over.
Kitty,
Can't buy my 200 jobs and say,
Kitty, one more time, me tell you, listen to me.
Me have to say thanks to every last one of uno we watching. Big up uno. But me check the numbers and most of uno no subscribe yet. That little tap of the button, that's how you really support the Backchat family. No cost you a cent.
Listen to what the bro. Hello, listen to what the bro say. Listen to the bro, I want you to listen good. You see? You can ask me for anything, but don't ask me for one. Alright. Anything you can ask for. So, hello. Yeah. I'm give you Guinness money. I take.
Like you give man more, buy man more to our house. I see a same thing you tell me now, you buy me same thing from my thing. I ask you one and I have one job beginning.
I said, give me something now buy you?
Yes, the same giant store. Same giant, same giant.
7 minutes tell you?
Yes, tell me. I'm a million no 7 minutes.
So how much you gonna get out of 7 when me promise you?
Me want me get, I want.
We ratted. We can't tell Mr. Paul this year.
I want me get money now buy me I'm waiting now.
So that means you weigh 6.
Huh?
Yeah. That means you weigh for 6 dragon.
Yes, 6 dragon water I want to buy me I'm gonna get to
so will 7 minutes promise you?
Yeah, I'm gonna get to smoking. Smoking because smoker.
Hello. What me tell you say don't ask me. What me tell you say enough to ask me?
I want to kill me man do. I bless you. I want to kill me. When I'm fat yeah. I give you one bunny something of that. I see a road is right.
They you know just eat back lunch.
I'm very full. I'm very bad, but when I love to smoke, give me smoking money. I want 4 dragon.
Let me tell you, you can't have anything else. It's when you have your money in your purse, you use them buy your smoking, but me not give money to buy smoking.
You better
you ask me for dragon and but don't. But hold on, hello. Don't you ever ask me for no smoking. Listen, Kitty. Don't ask me for no smoking money. When you get money and you get your part money or whatever you get, you can do your smoking. Me not support your smoking. So me now go come here and give you smoking money. You want to ask for a dragon? Fine. Right?
When Mr. Party
they'll call Mr. Paul.
Yeah, we ask him, man. We ask him
if you put your company for your food, sir. What do you call it?
Enemy.
Enemy is also. They call him and tell you for Tuesday, Maggie Kitty pay us all food.
The gravy. You can't have the gravy and throw upon the food. Too much gravy and
so I too much gravy and the salt and the bun up.
I burn up.
I will leave things that in a one.
I do want.
Will leave things that.
Oh, but things that burn.
You have to find Mr. Paul if you give you salt food. That's not good for you, no, Kitty. He run up your pressure and
see. We're going to drink more water. Right now, give me big water. We don't drink it, ma'am.
How Kitty go manage all that salt food when it run up her pressure?
The salt food. Mr. Paul.
Yeah.
Yeah, Kitty, they say pay salt food you give him, true?
Gravy.
Say food where you cook give him salt, that's true?
Salt?
Yeah.
No, I don't know about that. I ain't the dog, you know man, you know. I'm before me tell me have to taste the food.
He say you put fear fresh and give him salt.
That's in the way, that's in the way,
yeah?
That means you have 2 food men to prepare, but no we have to prepare. Whatever we are rich, you have to prepare 2 food.
And that may I say too. Because that don't make no sense.
That makes sense.
Now make we see what happened. Miss Ellis uncovers Ricky Green's survival.
Me now here. May I come back when it's not so noisy? Because
Miss Ellis offer help with food, but pure grief this man hit her with.
No, man.
You probably don't know if you find you.
Right now, you know something.
Yeah, she probably look for you, man. I don't know if you find you.
to America for years, and when me I talk to her, she wonder, say, oh, you know, come up from married, and she could have married, let me get married.
Now make you see her now so she can get in touch with you.
She dead.
Now, met we see what happened. Craft, hustle, and community struggles in the yard.
What up alive? No, me hardly there for a week, but you know I think I'm tired. Tired. One bag up and down all day.
Watch this now.
Dark up. I mean, you don't want to wash your car today, and I don't look like you can't wash again. You don't want to wash your car yourself.
The place dark up, so how car wash make any sense right now?
Me never see you're in the shoes. But you can't see the shoes put over the box cover. Eh?
I do.
You never see you're in the new shoes, man. Oh, yeah, say. Hello. I never see any new shoes in at all, Kitty. See, pass my shop? Yeah, we wear too much, man. Hold on. Come, Kitty. Come. I mean, why you sitting there and begging man when I have nothing? Like what you do last time.
Show, man.
People might wonder when I run out of a place. So. Not.
Kitty, you not learn from last time. People will go definitely run you out now. Now make we see what happened. Sage, and Karen.
Karen, one man a rough. Karen, one make a soft man.
I true man, you are a rough man. That's why I have to box down one or two times.
Karen boxing down recently?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Take your number, give girl. Then I Karen change your number, man.
A true Karen?
Yeah, sure.
They box him?
Yeah.
Not for cheek, man.
Not be cheap for me.
No make no woman put no man or woman business.
But me, if me not cheap for him, me should not cheap.
So Karen, so when the box down shot, they try or what?
No, she not do then something like one time.
Wait, them really are ask if him box the man? Them trouble in the small. Now make we see what happened. Amens. Will Kitty actually buy back the stolen cement bags before police get involved? Tell me in the comments. And that's it for this one, my dear. If you want to see how this drama really end, tap subscribe so it comes straight to you. And the next episode, they right here so. Love and blessings. Me see you in the next one.